Hi, today I'm going to show you how to start a print on the Phrozen 4K printer. To start off, you need to download the Phrozen Slicer software. A link to the software will be provided in the description below. When launching the software, you will have to choose two options from the drop-down menus. First, select your printer, which is a Shuffle 4K. For material, you can choose anything. We will be selecting the profile later on that overwrites this setting. Right now, the layer thickness is set at 30 microns, which is equivalent to 0.03 millimeters. For the easy cast valid, we will be selecting 0.05 millimeters. The resin is optimized for both 30 and 50 microns, so you can choose either. Import a STL file. I'm going to start with a simple ring on the printer. Once you upload your file, you can skim through the layers to check if there's any errors. Once you're happy with your layout, save and slice the file. Slicing time is dependent on the height of the file. Once the file is sliced, we need to open up a browser and type in the IP that appears on the Phrozen touchscreen. Please note you cannot connect the Phrozen 4K directly to your computer. The Phrozen 4K must be connected to a network modem, and the computer must be connected to that modem wired or wirelessly. Open any browser. As I mentioned earlier, type in the IP address as it appears on the Phrozen touchscreen. Start by going to Plates and click Select File and open up a slice file that has the extension PHZ. After the file uploads, it should appear at the bottom of the list. This is where we select our print profile. We have two slice profiles for the ResinWorks 3D Easy Cast Violet, 30 and 50 microns. We can add both these profiles under Profile. You can copy the settings I have shown here and add it to your printer. Now that you have both profiles, you can go back to Plates. I'm going to select 50 microns, click Update, and before I print, I'm going to add resin to the vat. Today we're going to be using the ResinWorks 3D Violet resin, which is fully castable. Before starting my print, I'm going to pour resin into my printer. Please ensure to shake your resin or mix it before printing. Back to the computer, we're going to click Print. As you can see, the build plate is moving down. Once the build plate goes to the bottom, it will be submerged into resin. The print should take about 4.5 hours. After the print finishes, the build plate will move up with your printed file. As you can see, the ring casted perfectly with a standard wax burnout.